Hello Amel folks, it's Amel 54 now or never here, and today I found this very useful tool for sewing. I never had a sewing machine, and actually this small guy can make things better than a sewing machine in some cases, as maybe we will see. This is the first time I use it. Basically does the same job of a sewing machine, but you do it manually. I will not bother you how to mount it, how to put it together, because YouTube is full of videos about that. I just want to see if I can use it for some nautical jobs on my boat. The first thing that I would like to do, this is the container for my safety buoy, which is 6 years old. As you see, it's not very good shape, made by Plastimo. I don't know if 6 years is a good time in nautical terms, but I'm not happy about the quality. My problem is that all the Velcro tape that is used to keep it in place, it's gone. You see, it's completely rotten. And I will try to substitute it and put some new Velcro with this Speedy Sticher tool. I bought it on Amazon. You can find it on Amazon. You can find it on sale right on many different websites, depending the country where you live in. I bought it on Amazon because in the Caribbean it's impossible to find this kind of stuff. And it comes with 2 needles, but just in case I bought some extra needles. I bought another 3 needles. I read I saw on some YouTube tapes that they can break relatively easily, so now I have 5 needles in total. And at the same time, I also bought some extra thread. This is it's about 180 yards of thread, and I will need a lot of these, especially for the canvas. You know, this is a small job, but you can see my canvas, my top canvas, is completely gone. This is not the original. I changed it 5 years ago. The fabric still is in good shape, but as you can see, the stitches are of very bad quality. Definitely not good for so I have to restitch basically the entire top. Otherwise, I have to spend 3,000 euro for a new one, which is going to last maybe just for 4 or 5 years. So, first time I use the Speedy Sticher, and let's see how it works. So the first thing you have to do is to cut the Velcro in the size, in the length that you want. I bought it on Amazon. It's not particularly made for nautical use, but let's see how long it will last. Get your thread inside the Speedy Sticher. Again, there are tons of video on YouTube. You can see how to do it, and have enough thread out of the hole, because you will need it for the various knots and stitches, and start to make your first hole where the original Velcro was on the new unit. So I make the first hole. There is a heavy fabric behind it. And make sure that you do it gently, otherwise you can hurt yourself with the hole. Okay, once the hole is inside, just take it back gently, and you will see there is a loop. So just get your thread through completely out on the other side. Okay. Now take the Speedy Sticher out and make sure that you have enough thread on the other side. Now you are ready to make your first stitch. So make a second hole. The first stitch is actually the most difficult to make. Okay, get through almost completely, pull pull it back, look on the other side, and you see that a loop has been created. So take the thread, put it through the loop, hold it steadily on the inside, and put your thumb firmly on this position. This will prevent the thread to come out from the spool that is inside the Speedy stitcher. Then you just pull it strongly and you have made your first stitch. So get some extra thread out of the hole, make another hole, pull it back, reverse it, look for the thread, look for the loop, get it inside, hold it firmly on this side and on this side here, pull, and you have made the second stitches. So this is the first time I use it. 5 minutes ago I did the first part, and this is the end result. This is what you get once you have finished the job. So we have I have finished my stitches, and now let's try to put back the rescue buoy in position. You see, these are the 3 points that we have stitched. One, two, and 3. So it took me about half an hour to do the 3 points with many stitches, which is not bad because this was my really first time I was using this tool. Next video I will try to repair the canvas, the top canvas, and I guess it's not going to be so easy and so fast, but let's see it in the next video. Bye bye from Antigua.